Lisa, listen to me. This is important. I want you to smile today.
But I don't feel like smiling.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my everyday makeup look. So what I'm going to start off by doing is taking my two favorite foundations, mixing them together. The shade of Black Opal, which is the first foundation I use, is Hazelnut, and my second one, which is Revolution, is in the shade F13. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend the two foundations together, just because like it's better than just having two foundations in two different places. It's better if I just blend it all together. Now I'm going to take my Real Technique beauty blender and I'm just going to blend out that foundation. And I don't know, but it takes me the longest time to blend out my foundation because I just feel secure when I know it's like fully blended in when I'm taking my time. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Revolution and LA Girl Pro Concealer, and what I'm going to do is mix them together. The reason why I mix it together is because the Revolution is a little bit more lighter than the Toffee, so it gives me that extra light glow. Like, I don't know, I just really like it. It's a lovely undertone. And for those that don't know, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm using the Revolution in the shade C11. Okay, so now I'm using my beauty blender to blend out, and I don't know guys, but sometimes when I'm blending, it depends. Like if I'm doing a rush kind of makeup, I tend to use my beauty blender because it covers a larger surface, and if I'm kind of trying to slow down and get like everywhere evenly blended out, I'll use my Real Technique buffing brush. So I blend this out very carefully because remember it is concealer, so it's not your shade, so you have to make sure you're blending it out so it's evenly on the foundation that you put on, you know. So that's what I do. Okay, so now I'm using my Beauty Bakery setting powder, and you know what, I love this setting powder. It's just so good. I love it. And now I'm going to take a brush, I'm going to put some of that onto my eyelids to set them, because remember I'm putting eyeshadow on top and I need to make sure that my base is also set. Okay, so this is the Revolution I Love Makeup Chocolate Orange palette, and I take that shade right there. You know what, I actually don't know what shade this is. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I don't know what shade it is, but whatever shade I pointed at, that's the shade I'm using on my eyelids. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my contour kit. This is the Sleek contour kit in the shade Extra Dark, and what I'm gonna do is just put that in the contour areas, as you can see. And now I'm going to take my Real Techniques buffing brush and blend out the places where I put the contour. Okay, so this is not something I do all the time, but if I do have leftover setting powder on the sponge, I just go and sharpen up where I put my contour. Okay, so now I'm going to take the SOSU lashes, and these are Kylie. And then I'm going to take my Technique eyeliner just to put under my eyes, because I feel like when I underline my eyes, everything looks more sharper and it just looks so much nicer. And then I'm going to blend out my setting powder using the Reels Technique contour brush. Okay, now I'm going to take my Sleek Precious Metals highlighting kit, and I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones, my eyebrow bone, my cupid's bow, and my nose. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to my Real Techniques Precious Smudge Brush, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. And now I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to set my makeup. So I'm going to take a cotton bud and my Garnier Rose Water just to wipe off my lips from like the foundation and concealer, so that when I put on my lip gloss, it's on a clear base. And the lip glosses I am using is just a normal lip gloss from a like hair and beauty store, and my Urban Decay Fine Shine lip gloss. Okay, so this is now my look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.